Well, unfortunately, you saw that part one of this screencast came to an abrupt end. I was hoping to get it in under 15 minutes, so I just need to finish this up quickly. So we were talking about the fact that if we use the operation of square root, that we end up with numbers that are not able to fit into any of these nice boxes, okay? Because rational numbers can all be written as fractions, and when those fractions are turned into decimals, they either repeat or they terminate. A number like square root of 2 is a decimal that doesn't terminate. It keeps going forever. And it also doesn't have a repeat end, which means a series of numbers, sometimes just a single number, that repeats over and over again so that we can predict. The numbers just kind of at random, the digits keep going and going. So what we call these numbers are irrational, okay? And so this big box over here is the rational numbers. And within the rational numbers, we have these subcategories of integer, whole number, and natural number. Irrational numbers are not a category of rational numbers. They are on their own. I mean, you have to think of it like people. If you have an irrational person in your life, you want to keep them in this little box over here by themselves, and they do not play well with others, so you keep them over here. Versus the rational people are fine to associate and be in this group over here. So real numbers either are rational or they're irrational, okay? So if a real number is irrational, it fits in this box. So examples, square root of 2, square root of 7, square root of 15. We also know the famous numbers like pi is an irrational number. And I'm going to say approximately equal to 3.14 because we know it's not exactly 3.14. We can never write the exact decimal for pi because the digits keep going and going and going forever. That's why we have a symbol. When we want to write the exact number for pi, the only way to do it is to use a symbol. If I write the decimal, it's just an approximation. So anyway, if we've got numbers, they are either irrational, they fit in this box, or they're rational. And if they are rational numbers, we might also be able to categorize the number as an integer, or a whole number, and or a natural number. Okay? So that's it. Sorry about the two parts on this one.